actually wanted to wait until I was off work to do this, but lighting is slightly better. I got two soft box lights things. Only one of them is up right now, and I'm about to put the other one up, but I decided I would do a short little haul for you because I got quite a bit of stuff from Amazon. So I'm just gonna set up this other soft box and we'll get to it. What is going on, guys? Emily here, and today I have a haul for you. Now, I got a few things from Amazon for my room and for videos, so if you couldn't tell, my lighting is just a little bit better, and that is because I got two softbox lights. They are huge, but they work. So there's that. That's one thing. And I'm still wearing the same thing that I was wearing because I'm about to go to work and I didn't feel like changing into something else to get dirty, so yeah. But the first thing obviously that I got was the softbox lights. I've been wanting good lighting for so long that I finally got it, and there are animals on my bed. What? The second thing that I got was a clothing rack, because right now I have a closet in my room, but it doesn't actually have like a rack that you can put your clothes on. So I got this. So we're going to be putting this together later when I get off of work. And then I also got hangers for it. So I got hangers as well. Like I'm really trying to make this room like as, you know, cozy as possible, to make sure that I actually like being here. A new bed set. Now, the one I have now is just one that my dad had when I moved in. So this is the one that I got, and again, I'll show you later it on my bed and all of that. But yeah, so there's that. And then I also just got a new sheet set for my bed, so that way everything can be new and fresh. I also got some activated charcoal toothpaste with coconut oil in it, and I've already used some of it. I am doing a series, the Life Changes series, for like my teeth stuff, where I am using this, so if you want, you can check those videos out. I haven't put one out yet by the time that this video goes up, but you will see it. Then last but not least, I got a new tripod for my camera. Now basically I use my phone as a camera right now, so I can't necessarily show it without taking the phone off, but that is what my phone is on right now, so I got that as well. And there is a plethora of boxes behind the camera right now. Yeah. So as you can see, there are, you know, so many boxes right here, and then there's also boxes like everywhere else. But yeah, so later on, again, like I said, when I get off work, I'm going to put my clothing rack together, put the clothes on it, do the bed and all of that, and you guys can see that. So yeah, I will see you well, I'll see you when I get off work, but you're gonna see me in like 0.2 seconds, so yeah. Alright guys, I am back from work, and there's a dog down here. She's trying to hit the tripod, but it's fine. Oh. Now, what I want to say is that I'm kind of upset because I accidentally tripped on one of the cords for one of my lights, and now it doesn't work. So I'm going to try and fix that. But one light is still working for now. So what I want to do is do just kind of like a time-lapse montage type of thing, just to show you me putting everything away, getting my bed set on, building this and putting the clothes on it, all of that. And as well, I think what I want to do is just do like a whole like room cleaning thing. So this turned into like a haul slash room cleaning slash redoing my room kind of. So I do want to say I am actually really glad that one light is working. Like this is the greatest lighting I've ever had. Now if I had both of them, that'd be great, but one of them doesn't work. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the montage. Alright, so that is the end of the haul slash bedroom makeover type thing. I hope you liked all of the shots that I got and everything that I did. But yeah, I love this new bedspread. It's so soft and the color is one of my favorite colors, as well as having something to hang my nice clothes on is great. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see anything else, let me know down in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload my next video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!